Welcome to Balance Basics. I'm Joel Harper, and I've created a really short routine for you to help get your body in alignment, but also to improve your balance, because you know how Dr. Oz says how important balance is for you. So first, we want to start out to make sure your hips are in balance. You want to start with your feet all the way together, and you want to slowly walk your hands down your legs. And you gently want to bend your knee. What this does is it line your hips back up, because one side of your body is always a little bit tighter than the other side. And switch, and switch. If this is easy for you, drop a little bit lower. If you can drop down, you want to relax your neck and breathe. But the key is to keep your feet flat on the ground. And switch. And bend your knees, and slowly roll it all the way back up. This is great to do whenever your hips are tight. Now, what you want to start with is your hand all the way up like this, and this opposite foot off the ground. Now you gently want to reach out and all the way back, all the way out and all the way back. Now this whole routine, if it's hard for you, all you have to do is use a chair or do it against the wall. So you want to reach all the way out and all the way back in. For 5 and 4 and 3, all the way out, and 2 and 1. Good job. You want to do the other side as well. Lift that foot off the ground, lift this opposite hand up, and reach all the way out. Really breathe, deep breaths, and you can test yourself each time. Let's go, give me 5 more. 5 and 4, you got it, stick with me. 3 and 2 and 1. Now line your toes all the way back up. Now you want to bring your heels all the way up. You want to bring your hands into prayer, way up on your toes, and you're just going to look to the side. And back to the center, and to the other side. Way up on your toes, back to the center, now look up. Back to center, and look down. And back to the center. Really breathe way up on your toes. If you really want to test your balance here, you can close your eyes for a couple of seconds and work with balance in darkness. For 5, 4, 3, 2, keep your eyes closed, and 1. Good job. Put your hands back on your waist. Now you want to bring your foot in front and straighten it all the way out. Now you want to bring it all the way in the back and straighten it out. All the way forwards and all the way back. All the way forwards and all the way back. Give me 2 more. All the way forwards and all the way back. All the way forwards, lean back, and all the way back. Switch it up. Do the other side. Point that toe all the way out and all the way back. All the way out and all the way back. Each time go a little bit further. The whole time you want to pull your stomach in and activate your abs. Give me a couple more. For 3, 2, you got it, and 1. Good job. Bring your hands all the way into prayer. Bring this foot slightly up onto your ankle. Now you want to bring that knee across and back, and cross and back. We want to work from balance from every single angle. Now, if this is easy for you, use your hands in the opposite direction. You pull your stomach in and activate your core muscles. For 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Good job. Switch sides. Walk this foot up your leg. If that's easy for you, you can bring it up a little bit higher. Bring your knee in front and across. There you go. If this is hard for you, just do your leg. Otherwise, you can move your hands in the opposite direction. For 5 and 4, keep that chin up, and 3 and 2 and 1. Good job. Bring your hands onto your waist and circle your knees like this, all the way up on your toes. Feels really good. And if you did that, switch directions, and you can switch the other side. And each time you do this workout, you want to mix it up. You want to use your shoes one day, and you want to do it barefoot the next, because balance works differently in each way. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now you want to bring your knee up in front of you as high as you can. If this feels comfortable, stay here. Otherwise, lift it all the way up. Now bring your hands all the way out. Bring your hand in front and to the side. The other one in front and to the side. In front, side. Just go back and forth at your own pace. You can do both hands at the same time as well. And switch your legs. Really breathe. Deep breaths. Pull your stomach in. Both hands. And there you go. Let's line your body back up right where we started from. Hands on your waist, look down, toes lined up for 5 big circles. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your hands in prayer. Take a deep inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. If you had trouble doing this workout, you know what? I'm going to see you back here tomorrow. Otherwise, if this was easy for you, good job. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.